Now, in our last story, this is trending. Well, let's get straight into it. A 74-year-old Nigerian Senator Adams Aliyu Oshiomhole has come under intense public criticism after a video surfaced online showing him aboard a private jet with South African content creator Leshan Dagama. Let's take a look at the video. All right, I can't say much about the video. I don't want to be in trouble. But what do you think? There's so many stories that I've spoken about. You can log on to go on our website at mx24.gh or on our social media pages at mx24gh and let us know what you think about these stories. My name is Daphne Flashley, and you have been watching MX Breakz right here on MX24 TV. Have an amazing day.